What's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I got a very serious hack for the Facebook fan page to improve your customer feedback score. All right, welcome back. So this is one you're going to want to pay attention to. It's a hack that I came across on YouTube, and it's super valuable, and it's definitely going to help you get lower cost traffic, lower cost per purchase, better lead cost, your cost down and everything. So make sure you pay attention to this video, and make sure you like this video if you like the content. Subscribe and bang the notifications bell, and make sure you share this with your friends if you find it valuable. This channel is all about making money online. So let's get started here. I'm sure you guys have heard of the Facebook customer feedback by now. This is the link that you go to, facebook.com/ads/customer feedback. Okay, and then you're going to see all your fan pages here, and then you're going to be able to go in and see your customer feedback score. This particular page I'm not running any traffic on right now, paid traffic anyway. And notice Facebook's talking about what's going on over here in China, which is interesting, and it's saying that we don't have enough data here. But if I was running traffic on this page for like e-commerce products, or potentially even lead gen or something like that, your customer feedback becomes a very important factor, because if it drops below a certain level, Facebook ends up either shutting down your page or potentially your ad account, or even your personal profile if the customer feedback score is low enough. So you definitely want to keep that feedback score up. And today I'm going to show you guys on one way you can do that by kind of gaming the system without actually having the real customers do the customer feedback. Okay, now you can always play around here with your delivery speed. If you're shipping stuff from China right now, I'd put this out at your average delivery at like 5 weeks, and then your or maybe even further, maybe even 8 weeks. Okay, and then you can do it by region here, but 8 weeks is probably what I would recommend, especially nowadays with China having all the issues with the issues going on over there. So right now, this one I'm not going to worry about, but then you can also, if you're not running e-commerce, you can request a review, and you can say, hey, this page is not e-commerce or whatever, and you get a certain amount of reviews at that point. Okay, but most people are going to be wanting this customer feedback score, because the higher it is, if you have a really good customer feedback score, you're going to get lower cost traffic in the auction, and you're going to get more love from the Facebook algorithm. And I'm going to show you how to game that right now. Okay, so one thing that you can do when you're going to do it, the first thing you're going to do is actually you're going to have you got to have an ad running, and you have to have a page view pixel set up. So I have a website right here. This is my St. Patty's Day event in Chicago. It's a bar crawl, and notice I have a pixel on here, and it is a St. Patty's Day page view pixel. Okay, so that's step number one. Step number one, you got to make sure you have a page that you're running traffic to, and you have a page view pixel. Step number two is you're going to go ahead and you're going to run what's called a retargeting campaign to basically to all the people that visited your site that visited in the last 1 day. Okay, and you can easily do this here. You just, in your ads manager, you just go in here to all tools and then audiences. Okay, and then you're going to go over here to custom audience or create an audience. Drop down to custom audience, and then click on website. Okay, and you're going to find your active pixel. You're going to go here to any or all, either one, it doesn't matter. And you're going to do website visitors in the last 1 day. Okay, and then you can just call it 1 day, 1 day retargeting, retargeting. Okay, and then you're just going to create that audience. Okay, I'm not going to do it with this because I don't need to do it on this particular page. But that's how you create the audience, and then you're going to want to go ahead and run some traffic, set up an ad to run to your 1 day retargeting audience, exclude the people that have purchased or submitted a lead, and then what you're going to do is the next step is you're going to have your friends, or you're going to have some workers on Upwork, or some of your staff go in and visit your fan page, okay, or visit your your site, because they're going to view the page, and they're going to be in that retargeting audience. Okay, so the next thing that's going to happen is the next day you're going to get the ad is going to be served to them, okay? And they're going to see it in their feed. Like, here is the ad being served, my ad being served to me, because I visited the site in the last 24 hours here. So this ad is my ad, and I just got visited, I just got retargeted by myself, okay? So what I did is I went ahead and liked the video, okay? First thing I did is just like the video. And then You could put a comment if you want to, just to help the algorithm out a little bit. And I'll put like this is going to be, and then we'll put a little emoji here, lit. Okay, and so we'll give a comment. And now you've done something to that ad. Okay, you've have activity on that ad. So there is two places to view activity. Okay, one is going to be in your personal profile here on the right hand side where it says activity, and that feed is going to look like this. Okay, that's going to have all your likes and stuff on your friends' stuff, and all the stuff you do on normal Facebook stuff. But there's another feed that Facebook really doesn't tell you about, and it's not easy to get to. You actually have to type in the URL. So you go to facebook.com/ads and then /activity. Now this is going to be all the activity on all the ads that you've done, whether you've liked them, whether you've clicked on, whatever. It tells you, okay? And you can see I clicked on my own ad, and I've already given myself some feedback, okay? Let me show you how this works. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your friends, okay, or workers or people that, are on your team, and once they get retargeted, you're going to want them to click on the ad. You want them to go over here to this feed, facebook.com/ads activity, and then you want to go ahead and have them leave feedback on your ad, okay? So you can go in here and leave feedback and make sure, obviously, you want it to be satisfied, not one of these other ones, satisfied. And, you can put whatever you want here, the shipping speed, product quality, customer service. And I'm going to say next, customer service. And I'm just going to put something nice, like really, really great company, really great company, okay? And something like that, and done, boom. Now I've actually left positive feedback on my ad, okay? And that's going to help you in the auction, and it's also going to help with your customer feedback score, okay? Because now you've got like all these people giving you positive feedback on your actual ad, okay? So basically what you did is just game the system, okay? It's not that many people have known about this. I'm positive not that many people know about this. And but this is one way to really help get you better prices on your traffic in the auction, get your ads out to more people, get your lower cost per purchase, and get your lower lead cost on your Facebook fan pages and ads. This is a money trick. Make sure you guys like this video. If you like the content, share it with your friends if you found it valuable. Leave me a comment below if you're going to do this for your own ads. And I'm the Marketing Meathead. I'll talk to you later.